Hi students, in this video we are going to see about how to give the font for your paragraph, that is like Arial or Times New Roman, and second one is like how to set a margin corner of your page, web page till the text. You know in Word and all you will be setting the margins, right? The same thing. And border, like if you want to apply any border for your paragraph like that. And fourth one is group selectors. In group selector it means grouping the selectors. It means like if I have three headings in my web page, like the H3, H4, H6, all need to be in the same color, like blue color. So what I should do, have to give the heading tag like H3, H4 and H6, and you have to specify the which color which properties, like text properties you are going for that heading tag. Okay, let's see one by one the syntax for font, set, margins and properties. Okay, first one is font properties. For this the syntax is like you have to mention font family, that is which font, Arial, Times New Roman, and another next one is you have to give the size for that, and third one is if you want is like a italic or normal or oblique. Okay, let's see one by one. uh, First one is like font high, you will go with the example, you will understand correctly. Font hyphen family semicolon Arial. In another example is Times New Roman, also you can specify over here. And size, coming to the size, you can use like a small, extra small, large, medium, like that, and you can go for the value also. In MS Word you will have like a 10, 12, 18, right? Same thing. Here you have to specify in two types. Or one is like pixels, PX mean pixel, PT mean point. Okay, and last one is style. Style means like italic, you will be using like italic, right? The same thing. To give all together in one syntax, where we will use called a font. Okay, here comes the font. We'll use all this declaration in one single line. Okay, font colon, I'm going to use a bold, and size will be like 20, and font family will be your Arial. Okay, margins, like if you want to specify any space between the corner of the from the corner of your page to the text. Okay, that is the margin. There are four different values in the margin. One is top, bottom and left and right. Okay, each one you have to give separately. If you see the syntax, margin hyphen bottom colon 1 centimeter. Okay, that is means from the corner of your from the bottom corner of your page till the text to be 1 centimeter space will be there, like a gap will be there. And left, right also you can specify separately. You can use centimeter, either centimeter, pixel or point, any three values you can specify. If you want to give all four values in one line, one syntax, you have to use margin. See, if you give margin colon 10 pixel, 5 pixel and 10 pixel, the first value will be the top, second will be left, and the third value will be the bottom, and fourth value will be the left margin. Okay, understand? Then next one is border, setting the border for your paragraph. Here we have three properties in the border. First one is called the width of the border. Okay, that is like if you want a thin, medium or thick, like that. And style is nothing but like if you want a dotted lines, solid lines or double line, like that. In Microsoft Word you will have that page borders, like the same thing only. And the next one is color. What color you want for the border. Okay, for that the syntax will be like border hyphen width colon medium, that is a medium size width of the border. And next one is style will be like here it is mentioned like a solid style. If you do practically you will know what kind of output it will come. And the color will be blue. I specify all three properties in a single line. What you have to give, border colon, here you have to give first border style. Okay, and next one will be your border width, and third one will be the border color. Okay, once open your exercise 3 HTML code in the notepad. Okay, and go to file, save as exercise 4. You have to give exercise 4. I already saved it. Okay, I'm going to cancel it. Here see the body color of web page is gray. I have changed to gray color. Okay, And then coming to the paragraph, Comic Sans, that is the font family I'm going to use. See, I have mentioned here clearly. And next, the size will be large. Size is large. Font size is large. Okay. Okay. And I am going to apply the border also. My border style is double. The color will be maroon and like thick. Okay. Selected part. You have to add extra in your paragraph style. Okay. And in the heading also, if you see h1, this is the heading tag. In this heading tag also, I have given the font family as Arial. Okay, so I have opened my output in the web browser. Now I will compare with the exercise 3 output with this exercise 4. You will understand the difference what I made. Okay, if you go to paragraph, there is no in the exercise 3 output, there is no border for this paragraph. If you come here, you can see the border is applied for the paragraph, for this both paragraph. Okay, and coming to the font family and the style and all, you can see the difference. This is the exercise 3, so it is very small and it is a different font. And if you come here, the font family is changed and the size also very big. Okay, if you go to this heading tag, here also I changed the font family Arial as AL. If you see here, it will be different. Actually, in exercise 3 we have added the text shadow and all. In exercise 4 I have removed that. Okay, so this is the output I want to show it to you. Please try this exercise. Students, in our first class of HTML, we have seen CSS is divided into three types. First one is external, embedded, and inline style. Okay, external is nothing but you are going to write the CSS code in the separate file and you will be calling it in your HTML web code. Okay, and the second one is embedded. Till now what we have seen is the example for embedded style. You will be writing the CSS in the same HTML code page in the head tag. Okay, and third one is inline style. Today we are going to see how to write the inline style. Okay, before that, what is the inline style? Inline style is nothing but if you want to apply any style for the specific element in your web page. Okay, for that the inline style will be used. If you do practically, you will understand. Okay, on the new notepad. Okay, and then first line document type HTML and include HTML tag, head tag, and title. The title will be like 5th page. This is our 5th exercise, and close the head tag. And in the body, I need to add one heading. For that, I'm using the heading tag. Okay, and below the heading, I need one horizontal ruler. Okay, as I told you, I'm going to add inline style. Okay, for that I have two paragraphs. See, this is my paragraph 1 and this is my paragraph 2. For the paragraph 1 only I'm going to apply particular styles. Okay, what you have to do, this is less than symbol. In paragraph you type style equals to, I need this paragraph to be size to be large, so the font size will be large and the color will be red. A text align, and this should be in the center of the page. I need border for this paragraph. Okay, for that I have added a border style as a solid and the thickness will be 5 pixel and the color of the border will be black. Okay, if you see the second paragraph, I didn't add any style for this. Okay, let's see the output. Opened my exercise 5 output. If you see, this is a heading. Okay, and there are two paragraphs. This is the first one and second one. In the first paragraph you can see the border is applied because in the code I have written only for this particular paragraph border and color, everything should be applied. Okay, I will show you the difference between the embedded styling and the inline styling. Okay, for that I have opened my exercise 4 output. For the, if you see the exercise 4 output, the border will be applied to both paragraph color yellow. It is applied for the both paragraph because it is embedded. It will be common, whatever you are putting the style in the head tag, it will be common for all whole web page itself. Okay, but in the inline style, only this particular element, that is the first paragraph, will be styled. That is the difference. Okay, Students, like in this video I'm going to give some surprise question for you. Okay, the first three winners will be getting surprise gift from me once the school reopens. Okay, take some time to answer this question correctly. Okay, question is, what is Google? Okay, and if I type anything in the Google, immediately I will be getting output, right? Get this output from where it is getting this web pages and all. Okay, this is I think I have explained this to you in the grade 9 itself. So please find the answer and reply me in the WhatsApp group, okay, our official WhatsApp group. Bye, thank you.